In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TurboTax account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Intuit settings to remove your TurboTax data and complete the deletion request with confidence. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your TurboTax account data is typically permanent and can't be undone. If you think you might need copies of past returns or payment records, download them first. Also, because TurboTax is part of the broader Intuit family, what you're doing here is targeting your TurboTax data through your Intuit account settings. You may be asked to sign in again or verify your identity as you go, and that's normal. Start by opening TurboTax online and signing in. Look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile icon or your initial. Click that, then choose the Intuit account option. This opens your account manager in a new view where you control security, billing, and most importantly for us, data and privacy settings. If you're prompted to confirm your password or a code, complete that to continue. Once you're in the account manager, find and click Data and Privacy. This section is designed to help you see what information is stored and how it's used. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit. Data and Privacy is its own area within the account tools. Next, locate the Delete option under the data controls. Clicking Delete begins the process to remove your data related to TurboTax. You're not deleting tax filings from government agencies. Those records remain with the tax authorities, but you are requesting that TurboTax remove your stored data and access to it through your account. On the next screen, select the option that says, I no longer want my data to be in TurboTax. This specifically targets TurboTax rather than other Intuit products. Read any notes on the page carefully so you understand what will and won't be removed. If you use other Intuit services, those accounts may continue to exist separately. Finally, click. Continue to confirm your choice. You should see an on-screen confirmation that your request has been submitted. In some cases, processing can take a little time, and you might receive a confirmation email or notification summarizing what's being deleted. You won't need to take further action unless you're explicitly prompted. That's it. You opened your Intuit account from TurboTax, went to Data and Privacy, chose Delete, selected the TurboTax specific option, and confirmed with Continue. If you run into anything unexpected, check the help or support links in your account manager for the most current guidance. Thanks for watching, and take care of your records before you remove anything you might need later.